So I'm in the hall bathroom. I've got both drain stops pulled. That one's actually activated properly. This one pulls up, but nothing happens. And it's still building up water, so it's telling me that there's a slowdown in this drain somewhere. See how fast that drains. That's pretty good. So it's likely just that this was causing that drain to slow down. Probably just needs to be seated right, properly installed. We got some crap down there. What is that? Crazy. No wonder it's slowing down. Yeah, that's what's slowing your drain down. Oh, and I gotta pull the drain over here. No overflows. Make sure that one drains properly. Yeah, with no overflows, if you just let that run, it's going right onto the floor. Pretty good drain going there. Yeah, that one's draining fine. This one's got some problems. Now the toilet was flushing fine. I was giving a nice little shimmy shake. Make sure it's not moving. Make sure the tank isn't moving. Give it a good flush. Got a good flush. Now we got PEX lines coming in to that shut off right there. It's just a simple pull on, pull off, shut off. Now the bathtub shower combo unit. It's all plastic. There's no drain stop. You can see they replaced it with this rubber stop. And it is leaking a little bit. So the diverter is leaking a little bit of water when it was switched up to the shower head. For 45 psi, it's putting out quite a bit of water, in my opinion. Yeah, that diverter is starting to go bad. Let's just make sure our sinks didn't drain at all, or leak at all underneath the cabinets. That one's got a little bit of previous moisture damage. That'll happen if you put a wet shower bottle in there, or a shampoo bottle or something. Oh, no. Got a lot of water. A lot of water dripping here. Definitely need a plumber to fix this.